TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back to you with another healthcare data entry non-phone work from home job lead. I hope everyone is enjoying their Veterans Day if you are in the United States and celebrating. Thank you for all of those who do serve our country. But we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. The company Ashfield Engage, they are hiring a healthcare data entry specialist. This is remote work from home within the United States. Now, one thing I do want to note right up front is that this is a temporary project, but this company offers to have the opportunity for you to interview with other teams in the company when the project ends so that you can get permanent placement within the company. It does say that they offer competitive pay, although they don't list what that is. It says they also offer a generous performance-based incentive, so I don't know if that's on how many pieces that you data entry or how their pay structure works. That will have to be asked at the time of the interview, but they are looking for someone to maintain excellent quality standards for all their client programs and adhere to the guidelines. You'll accurately transcribe and enter data information required by those individual programs and correctly capture that in the specific databases. You'll adhere to all their company policies. You'll manage day-to-day activities of a patient and healthcare provider support request through fax, chat, and email. So again, non-phone. You'll perform intake of cases and capture all of the relevant information in the case management system. You'll escalate any complex cases, and you'll accurately transcribe and document information when received into the client databases. Now, they do not require a college degree. A high school diploma or GED is required. They prefer a bachelor degree, but only the high school diploma is required. You need excellent verbal written communication skills, good listening skills. They prefer someone who has a knowledge of reimbursement mechanisms for medical and pharmacy claims, someone who has healthcare experience, but that is preferred, not required. They do need someone who can work in Microsoft Office, Word, and Excel, and who has great critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and has the ability to multitask. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a fabulous weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.